Welcome to the Toastmaster Club of Pune West. This segment is to explain the role of a timer. We are your hosts, Toastmaster Devyani Kopede and Toastmaster Soham Wadekar, who have curated this segment for you. Today, I, Devyani, would be conducting this session. So let us begin. What does a timer do? Timer is one of the most important roles in the meeting who make sure that everything goes on track and on time. They keep the meeting on track, build discipline and respect for the audience time each segment and role, show timing signals that is green, yellow and red, record time accurately, announce qualified speakers for voting and alert if somebody goes over time. So let me explain the timer cards in brief. There are 3 cards that you would be provided along with 3 caps during the meeting. Green is for qualifying time, yellow is target time and red is maximum time. After the maximum time, you will have to track the timer for 30 more seconds, after which you ring a bell. If the speaker is speaking beyond those 30 seconds of extra time, they would be disqualified. So where to see the timing? Every agenda has the timings written in the time section. So let us take for example, level 1 project 2 fake it fine. It says 5, 6, 7. So you start the timer as soon as the speaker starts speaking who gives a verbal or a non-verbal cue and track the time. As soon as the timer hits 5, you lift the green card, yellow card at 6 and the red card at 7. 30 seconds after which you will be ringing the bell. So everything is tracked from the minute the meeting begins, even the breaks and also the table topics. Where to sit? Where the timer sits is very important. That is because the speaker should be able to see you in the best way possible. So we recommend you to sit on the first bench at the front of the class. You will have to sit in the front of the class. So let us talk about how to do the role. Firstly, as a timer, you will have to come up on stage just once at the beginning of the meeting. When the Toastmaster of the day will ask you to introduce yourself, you have to come up and connect your role with the theme of the day. Then you just explain what the timer does. You show the 3 cards, what it means, and you can add any other element that you like. But don't exceed the entire speech more than 30 seconds to 1 minute of your time. The second thing is, after you introduce yourself, you have to go back, take your seat, and be ready to time everything. So time all prepared speeches, evaluations, table topics, and role player reports. This is very important. You just don't have to track it. You also have to note down the time. For example, a speaker spoke for 6 minutes 26 seconds. You will have to note that down somewhere in your report. To repeat, during the meeting, when introduced, give an explanation of your role and a small demonstration of how the timer cards would be showed like. Note every speaker's name and timing and show the card for at least 10 seconds and then wear a cap throughout the specified time. How to track the time? It's easily possible with your mobile phone. Start a timer as soon as the speaker gives a verbal or a non-verbal gesture and stop the timer as soon as the speaker finishes. Note down the timings and show the cards at appropriate times. So let us discuss where to find the scripts. Go to our WhatsApp group and go to the description box. Click on the link, then you will be taken to the Google Drive. Click on roles and here you can find all the detailed scripts of everything you need. From timer, Sergeant at Arms, table topics master. Follow that and everything is sorted. Thank you. See you in the next video.